Hello there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little video here all about how to find the mean, median, mode and range of data when it's in tabulated format. So here you can see we've got a column whereby it's the amount of pies that we've sold at a shop, and here's the frequency column whereby we can determine how many people bought each number of pies. So 2 people bought 0 pies, 4 people bought 1 pie, etc, etc, right down here that 4 people bought 6 pies. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to determine how many people came to our shop, and to do that we need to add this column up here, and we can deduce that 31 people came to the shop to buy pies. Now what we need to do is we need to determine how many pies were bought. To do this, what we need to do is we need to multiply these two columns across. So if 2 people bought 0 pies, that's 0. If 4 people bought 1 pie, that's 4. 5 people bought 2 pies, etc, etc. And what we start to do is we start to create another column here by multiplying frequency by pies. And here it finishes off with 6 people bought 4 pies. I'll just move that across there. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to find out how many pies we sold. To do that, we therefore add up this column here. So we sold a total of 99 pies. Using this data, we now determine the mean average. So if you imagine we're on an island and we've got 99 pies and we've got 31 people, we need to share the pies out. To do that, so we find out the average amount of pies per person. So if we just go over here, so the mean average is the amount of pies shared by the amount of people, which gives us 3.19 pies. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to work out the median. To work out the median, we take the number of people, we add 1, and we divide by 2. So 31 plus 1 is 32, divided by 2 is 16. We now need to find out how many pies the 16th person wanted. So here we are. We've got the first 2 people wanted 0 pies. The next 4 people wanted 1 pie. We're now up to 6 people. And remember, we're going to stop when we get to 16 people. We now add 5 more. So 6 plus 5 is 11. We're still not up to 16. Now we add on another 7. And you can see that we've now gone past 16 people. So the 16th person wanted 3 pies. The median is not the number 16. The median is what the 16th person wanted. Okay, so the answer is 3 pies. That is the median. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're now going to work out the mode. So the mode, in this case, is 3 pies. The way we work out the mode is we look down the frequency column and we look for the highest number. And you can see the highest number is 7. The mode is not 7. The mode is 3. 3. The most common number of pies to be bought were 3 pies. That is the mode. Okay. Finally, we now find out the range. To work out the range, it's the most amount of pies that were sold minus the least amount of pies that were sold, 0. So in this case, 6 take away 0 for the range is 6. However, it's not always that. If, say, for example, 0 people bought 6 pies, then the range would be 5 minus 0. And in that case, the range would be 5. Alternatively, if this number was 0, then the range again would be 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so we have to be very careful about that. Okay, so in this case, the range is 6. This is applicable for Year 8, Year 9, Year 10 General Maths, and also it's applicable for Year 11 VCE. Thank you.